It takes approximately 10 years and $10 million from the design concept to the market for a single material. And this is a time that we cannot afford, especially in situations where we have threatening diseases that are affecting the entire humanity. RoboRxN is a pioneering project that shows how the combination of three technologies, cloud, AI, and automation, can dramatically change the way we work. Imagine a chemist at home, willing to make a molecule, connecting to RoboRxN through a web browser, drawing the molecule, and having RoboRxN recommending the optimal synthetic route together with the starting commercial material. And finally, RoboRxN self-programming itself to execute the process in an autonomous laboratory. So with the RoboRxN technology, we are expecting to accelerate profoundly the way we do material discovery. It's revolutionizing an entire field, bringing chemistry from a traditional type of business into an high-tech business.